Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the program to search an element in the array using the C programming language. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the program. Searching a element in the array. We know that array is a collection of same type of data. Here we are using single dimensional array set of data. In that we are going to search a particular element, whether that element is available in the array. Now we'll go to the program. First we'll include the header file has include stdio.h. Standard input output dot header file is used for printf and scanf. Then has include conio.h. console input output dot header file. It is used for clear screen and getch. Now we can start the main program. Void main, open the brace. The first step is we need to declare the variables. The required variables we need to declare. The first one is a of 100. This is nothing but a single dimensional array. Array name is a. The maximum size of the array element is 100. We can store 100 element in this, but we can use less than that. Maximum we can store 100. So n is the number of elements. How many elements we are going to use. So for a single dimensional array we need one for loop. For that we declare this variable I. So the search, the variable search is nothing but the variable we are going to search in the program, that is stored in search. If the variable is variable available in the array, then we have one more variable found. We'll make it as found equal to 1. So we have one more variable found that will decide whether the variable is available or not, right? So the single dimensional array with 100 elements, number of elements is used for loop. I used for loop. The search contain the element to be searched. The found will be assigned. Found will be give the detail whether the number is found or not. Then clear screen. We clear the previous content. Then the first is printf enter total number of elements. Now we ask the user to enter the total number of elements. Scanf %d and n. This %d refers integer type, and n means address of n. The number what entered by the user will stored in the address of n. Now we got the total number of elements. Now we'll get the elements one by one. For that we need to open one for loop. So now we ask the user to enter the array elements. Now total number enter, now array elements. For that we are using for loop. For I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Scanf %d and a of I. The element what we entered by the user entered the first element will be stored in a of I. I is 0, right? So the I value is 0 first. Then the first value will be stored in a of 0, address of a of 0. Then incremented to 1. Second variable stored in a of 1. Then it will go to 2, 3, like that it will go, right? Let us consider we have the 10 elements are available. We'll enter 10 elements. So it will go up to 9. If it is 10, it will stop. The loop will be terminated. So it start from 0 to 9 means 10 elements, right? So first element stored in a of 0, then a of 1, a of 2, a of 3 up to a of 9, right? So now 10 elements are stored in this array. Now we can get the printf enter the element to search. We ask the user to which element you are going to search, right? Scanf %d and search. The element to be searched is stored in the variable name search, right? %d refers the integer type, right? So now first we got the total number of elements, then array elements, then element to be searched. All the inputs are now available. Now we can go for checking whether the searched element is available in the array. We have one more element found, that is equal to 0. We assign found equal to 0. If the element is available in the array, we'll make it as found equal to 1, right? So found equal to 1 means array element is available. Found is 0 default. By default found is 0 means after searching also found equal to 0 means the element is not available. If it is available, we'll make found equal to 1. Now we'll go for the searching process. For I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Again we open the loop because we need to check 10 elements. Right? If A of I double equal to such, that is what is the meaning is equal to, whether A of I is equal to such. The search is nothing but the element to be searched, that is used by the enter. Is A of 0, I means first 0. So the first element will be verified with the search, whether both are equal. Suppose both are equal means found equal to 1. Already found is 0. If it is equal, we'll make it into 1. Thereafter, no need to check. We can break the process because the searched element is identified. We can break the process. Suppose if it is not equal, the search element and first element is different means it will, this condition is false, it will go to the next, it will go to the outer loop. The incremented, the loop will be incremented, I plus plus. So I become 1. 1 means second element. It will check the second element with the search element. So they are also not found means it will go to the next increment, I plus plus, I3. 2 plus 1 plus 1, 2, third element. So it will check the elements one by one. First it will check A of 0, A of 1, A of 2, up to A of 9. When it is with the, if it is equal, both are equal, then we will make the found equal to 1 and break the process. That will break the process. Both the for loop and the if condition will be breaked. Right. After completing this process, after completing this, we need to check. Initially we put found equal to 0. If found equal to 1 means the searched element is available. So by checking the found value, we can easily identify whether the element is available or not. If found equal to 1, double equal to 1, mean what is the meaning? So here found, when the found become 1, both are equal. Then percentage printf /n %d is found at the position %d. Right? This %d is the search element. This %d is position. Right? I plus 1. For example, in the third position means A of 2 because I starts from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. Right? A of 3 means fourth position. Right? So 3 plus 1, we need to add 1 because I start from 0. I of 3 means fourth element. I of 4 means fifth element. Right? We need to add 1. Right? So the search, this is the number is found at position. This position number also given by the I plus 1. Else, suppose the found is not equal to 1. Else, printf %d is not found in the array. Right? So by checking found variable, found is 1 means available. Found is not is 0 means is not available. Right? By checking this found variable, we can easily identify. Now we'll see the output. We'll see the two sample output of this program. So see the first output, output 1. Enter total number of elements is entered by 10. So the total number of elements is 10. Then we ask the user to enter the array elements. These 10 elements are entered one by one. 21, 12, 20, 30, 41, 6, 8, 126, 5 and 100. The 10 array elements are entered. Now we ask the user to enter the element to search is entered by 30. Right? So the number of element is 10. All these 10 elements are entered. The element to be searched is 30. See that 30 is available here in this fourth position. So this 30 is verified with the first position, second, third, fourth, like that it will check one by one. So at the fourth position it is available. So it will make found equal to 1 and break the process. After fourth position it will break the process. So it will check found equal to 1. So that 30, this element 30 is found at position 4, I plus 1. Already told I start from 0. Fourth position mean I will be 0. This is 0, 1, 2, 3. I will be 3. I plus 1 means 4. Right? So it will give the output, the position. The 30 is available at the found at the position 4. Now we'll go to the one more output. Output 2. Enter the total number of elements is 10. Enter the array elements. Same as previous. 21, 12, 20, 30, 41, 6, 8, 125, 5 and 100. But the element to be searched is 50. Earlier 30, it is 50. See, this 50 is not available. So it will check the numbers one by one. 50 is verified with 21, 12, everything. But it is not equal. So the entire loop, it will executed 10 times and that loop is terminated. Already we have found equal to 0. It will be maintained as it is. Found will not become 1. If the elements are equal, then only found equal to 1. So found will be 0. So that 50 is not found in the array. While checking, if found equal to double equal to 1, it is gives 0 only. So it will go to the else part. It will print 50 is not found in the array. So in this program, we verified the given element is available in the array by using the single dimensional array, right? By using the for loop, we verified one by one. We have the logic. Already we have one variable found, that is equal to 0. If the variable is available inside, then we make found equal to 1. So found equal to 0 means not available. Found equal to 1 means it is available in the array. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.